name is Mrs Olusola Babatunde of OSC College of Fashion and OSC Garment Factory. Today I'll be taking you around a virtual visit of our factory. So rule 1 of factory visits, your face must be clean and clear. If you're a lady, no makeup. That's why you can see that my face is clean. No powder, no lipstick, nothing. It's not because we don't want you to look beautiful. It's just one of the safety and guidelines for working in the garment factory. We wouldn't want the clothes to be stained. We wouldn't want powder, sweat. Sometimes you might mistakenly touch your face and then you're working on the garment and the makeup is transferred to the garment. That's one of the rules. The second rule is no long hair. You can see I have my long hair here. This is deliberate so that you can pack it up. So if you have long hair, you have braids, weave on, or your natural hair is very long, it's not that we don't want you to look beautiful. You are meant to pack your hair up and it's for your own safety. So you pack it up like so before you come to work in the factory, either as a machinist. And let me show you what would happen if your hair is left and you have to bend down to sew. Number 1 is covering your face. Number 2, you could get stuck while sewing the machine, and that is a big health hazard. So you should have any dangling hair you have packed up, and away from your face. Rule 3 is no long jewelry, like I have on here. This jewelry, by the time I bend down, I'm doing machines, I'm talking to someone, it will get hooked on the different parts of the machine and it could strangle you, especially if you mistakenly put your foot on the pedal and put it on, it could get hooked. So no long jewelry, no long dangling chains when you are in the factory. Also, rule 4, no long and big clothing like your boo-boos, your kaftans. Very long flowy dresses are not allowed in the factory. Not because we don't want you to be comfortable, it's simply because we want you to be safe, because you can get caught in the machine and it will be a big health hazard to you, and also you will end up damaging the machine. What are the other rules? You must make sure you clean your machine area regularly. Every day you clean your machine, you clean the tabletop, you make sure that every single part that the garment is going to touch is clean. You check for your oil. In the video and after this video, we're also going to go to the section where you see closer shots of everything I'm talking about. You would make sure that there's oil in the machine. You'll be able to see that from all the parts of the machine or by opening it up, and then you'll be able to check it. So those things will still teach you step by step. Today we're discussing care and handling of machine and also ergonomics of how you sit and how you operate the machine. If you notice how I am sitting right in the middle of the needle. So the needle is in my middle. I am not sitting in the middle of the machine. I have adjusted my stool that I am sitting right in the middle of the machine. So it's easier for me to put my foot on the pedal and also to use my knee lifter to move. If you check the pictures that we've also uploaded, you'll be able to clearly identify each of the parts. It's all been labeled for you. Just keep going over it and listen to this video as well, and you'll be able to identify all the parts of the machine and their functions. If you understand the machine, there is no machine you will not be able to use. A lot of people are scared of the industrial sewing machine. They tell you, oh, it's too fast, can you help us reduce the speed? That defeats the purpose of why the machine was made. It's made so that it can be faster than the manual machine, so that it can be faster than the tabletop that you sew or you used to sew at home. Not as if there's anything wrong with that, but for the purpose of ready-to-wear garments, factory manual, you're doing fashion as a business, an industrial sewing machine is what is recommended. So come along, I'm going to show you parts of our factory. Today you'll be visiting the OSC Garment Factory. Come along with me, let me show you all the departments that we have in our beautiful, functioning and effective factory. Come, let's go.